Hello.
Hello.
So today we have Mr. Gajanan with us. Hello, sir.
Hello.
I'm from Team Drone Expo. So I'm here to ask you a few questions related to the exhibition and about your company. So can you introduce yourself and tell our audience a bit about your company also?
Yes, my name is Gajanan. I'm from B2B sales department. You heard about the Robu. Robu is basically known for the electronics components nowadays.
Okay.
And electronics drones. This is the Drone Expo that
Yes.
we are actually launching our drone parts. You heard about the FPV drones, agriculture drones. This is the we are actually presenting right now.
Yes. That was supposed to be my next question. That was I was about to ask you. Like, what are you particularly showcasing in this expo? Because I can see you have a lot of drones available in your stand. So what are the main drones that you're showing this year?
We are actually mainly focusing on the FPV drones,
Okay.
which are nowadays everyone goes for indigenous one. So now we are presenting our indigenous drone, FPV drones and agriculture drones. We are going to soon launch the agriculture drones, which are generally not readily available in the market indigenously.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, that's a great initiative. I can see it's
Yeah.
looking really good. So now coming on to the exhibition, today is the third day. So how have been your experience? What was the footfall like in this 3 days?
It was awesome. I'm actually totally full pack from first day to last day, or even also you can see the crowd. There is a huge footfalls that we have seen, and continuously I'm not getting only 1 minute for to have a drink of water. This is a huge footfall that we have seen in.
Well, I'm really glad to hear that. And this is what Expo is all about. You should be interacting with a lot of people so that they can also know about drones and what is coming new in the new innovations in the market and yes. Yeah. So now coming on to the last question. So this year we have had exhibition in Hyderabad, and along this year we are also planning to have one in Mumbai, which will
Yes.
be in a much bigger venue.
Yes.
So what's your plan on that? Are you looking to participate?
Definitely we are going to plan. I already informed my management regarding that new expo.
Okay.
And maybe they are interested. They are going to launch soon our agriculture drones. Once we launch, definitely we will be there.
Sure. Thank you so much, Gajanan ji,
Thank
for
you
your
so much.
time, and I will surely meet you in Mumbai as well.
Sure. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah.